Welcome to the video. I'm Musa, your purpose coach from Actualize, and my goal is to coach you towards purposeful living. In today's video, we're going to open a small window into the workshop where my thoughts are built. This includes my current thinking as well as my origin, how these thoughts have been formed over time. When I was a child, I had an insatiable curiosity and a love for experimentation which set me apart from my peers. I remember I'd have conversations with adults about the deeper meaning of life. My uncle actually once told me that I had the insight of a philosopher, even though I was decades younger than the adults that I was connecting with emotionally, intellectually, and even spiritually. I'm passionate about people discovering that success without meaning is just an expensive form of emptiness. I believe that everyone deserves to experience the profound fulfillment that comes from aligning your life with your deeper purpose. Actually, I started with the personal insight that material success feels hollow when it's disconnected from life's deeper purpose. At 26, I had everything that I thought I wanted. I had a thriving business, I drove my dream car, and I even got to go on exotic holidays, all funded by my success. On the outside, I was living the dream, but inside, I was profoundly unfulfilled. I began to recognize the importance of these events when this beautiful but empty success sparked a burning question. What does true success actually mean? This led me to discover self-actualization. The idea that genuine fulfillment comes from understanding and living your unique purpose. When I realized this, I threw myself into studying vision clarity, self-esteem, confidence, emotional intelligence, and relationship excellence. All fundamentals of the philosophy of self-actualization. Since sharing this philosophy, I've witnessed entrepreneurs and leaders transform their relationship with success. Their testimonials speak of unshakable self-esteem, thriving relationships, and most importantly, that elusive sense of deep fulfillment that makes all the effort worthwhile. We're on a mission to bridge the gap between material success and meaningful fulfillment so that purpose-led individuals and organizations succeed in actualizing their purpose. Actualize exists to democratize access to life-changing education about self-actualization through technology-powered coaching. Our singular focus is to transform how people think about success, shifting from what can I achieve to how can I contribute while thriving. What do purpose-led individuals want to achieve, and how does that align with my origin story? Purpose-led individuals want to build successful businesses and careers that feel deeply meaningful. They're seeking the same transformation that I experienced, moving from impressive but empty success to fulfilling purpose-driven achievement. I'm uniquely placed to serve through Actualize because I combine the technical expertise of a successful fintech entrepreneur with the philosophical insight of someone who's journeyed from material success to meaningful fulfillment. Having built software applications that have moved billions of dollars for millions of customers, this has been formative in my entrepreneurial journey and formed my technical expertise. All the while, I've formed this unique perspective and philosophy on self-actualization. This rare combination enables me to use cutting-edge technology to deliver the profound personal transformation that I've experienced for myself. Every testimonial reinforces that this work isn't just changing individual lives. It's contributing to a fundamental shift in how we define and pursue success today. I see a world where purpose-led individuals and organizations are the norm, not the exception. This is a world where business success and personal fulfillment are not competing forces, but complementary aspects of a life well lived. Imagine opening the news to read. A global study reveals that 80% of organizations are now purpose-led. Employee satisfaction and business performance reach all-time highs. This is the inevitable result when people discover how to harness their unique purpose as fuel for lasting success. My purpose in life is to democratize education about self-actualization. That means I want it to be accessible to everybody, especially you who's watching this video. This means teaching individuals how to discover and live their unique purpose. I believe that when enough individuals actualize their purpose, we collectively move closer to actualizing humanity's common purpose, creating a world that works for everyone. My vision of the future is both audacious and achievable. I see the combination of my origin story and my mission leading to a fundamental shift in global consciousness about what constitutes true success. Here's what I would love to see our work unfold to. Number one, the actualized courses have transformed over 1 million lives, with outstanding reviews and ratings consistently earning above 4.5 stars. That's out of 5 stars, by the way. Number two, the Actualize app has become the go-to platform for purpose-led individuals, with over 1 million active users and over 100,000 subscribers. Third, the Actualize book has become an international bestseller, spreading this philosophy across cultures and continents. The world I'd love to see is a world where the words like impossible and can't have been replaced with terms like what if or we can. A world where children grow up with the intention to do meaningful work. A world where organizations compete not just on profit, but on purpose. A world where the question, what's your purpose, is as common as, what do you do? This is a world where success and fulfillment are no longer strangers, but intimate partners in the dance of a life well lived. Every conversation, every course, every testimonial is a step towards this vision. The ripple effects are already visible. Purpose-led individuals creating purpose-led organizations which inspire purpose-led communities. This isn't just business transformation, it's civilization evolution, one actualized life at a time. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the video. We definitely enjoyed making it for you. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel so that you'll also be notified as we create more and more videos for you.